Anna Chilcott took tonight's weather photo of a Mount Wellington sunset from Margate. Here's Simon McCullough, who agrees with the Penguins.
Very much so, Peter. Cold front across the state today, resulting in very cloudy conditions, plenty of showers in the west and a few showers pushing through into the east, mainly in the southeast, and of course very windy conditions as well. Maximum temperatures today, as a result, were a little above average in the east and south, but below average elsewhere. The state's high was 20 degrees at Hobart Airport, while overnight temperatures a degree or two below average and down to -2 at Lyowini. Hobart's range 6 to 19, Launceston 6 to 15, 15 for Devonport and 14 for Burnie. Expected for Burnie and Devonport a top of 17. Should be fine for Launceston, 7 to 21, becoming windy for St Helens. A fine day for Strawn and Swansea, and windy for Hobart, but fine, range of 9 to 24. On sunrise tomorrow at 5:42. Coastal waters, northwesterly winds of 20 to 25 knots, reaching 30 knots about the west and northeast, and up to 35 knots in the south. Southwest swell of around 4 metres in the west and south, a westerly swell in Bass Strait, a southerly swell in the east. There's a gale warning for the south coast, strong wind warning for the east and west, small craft wind alert for the lakes. To the weekend outlook, on Saturday, high to the northeast. It should be fine until some light showers develop about the southwest in the evening ahead of a front. A warm to hot day with fresh and gusty northwesterly winds. Fine for Burnie and Devonport, sunny for Launceston, fine and windy for Hobart, but a top of 29. That's about 12 degrees above average. On Sunday, a front crosses early with high moving to the north. Fine and mostly sunny, apart from some early showers about the west and far south. Still a westerly flow, but at this stage it should be sunny for Burnie and Devonport. Sunny for Launceston and sunny and 21 for Hobart. That's tonight's weather. Here's Peter.
Thanks, Simon. Before we go, a recap of the day's main stories. Russia's launched its biggest intervention in the Middle East in decades, bombing targets in Syria. And Cadbury's closing the visitor centre at its Claremont factory. That's ABC News for now. I'll be back with an update in about an hour. Next up, 7:30 with Lee Sales.